Hey, welcome to ClaireDB TV, and today we are going to cover the sneaky psychological effects of clutter. Decluttering is not just a case of physically getting rid of stuff, but more a way of transforming our physical and mental space. Research indicates that women especially have an increased level of cortisol when they live in a cluttered space. This leads to tiredness, frustration, then that has an impact on vital decision making and making snap judgments at people and being nasty. And by the way, if you're chronically ill, that's on top of all your other symptoms. So clutter also promotes overeating, which can also be really bad for your mental health. Clutter can also be physically dangerous and expensive. You don't need to live in a home like this. It doesn't need to be full of crap. It really can be a source of pain and shame and suffering, and studies have shown that the more clutter we have, the more stressed we are. So let's start by making an intention to tackle our clutter. We will set a date of when we're going to get started and hopefully an end date. And what I want you to do is figure out what you want your space to look like, make a list of the things that you want to achieve, focus on a goal before you start, like clearing all the laundry, and then remember your goals and stick to them when you're doing them. Creating space and order in your bedroom can really improve your quality of sleep, and the key is to start with small steps, set tiny goals, and celebrate progress rather than perfection. Don't forget to like, heart, follow, comment, and share. Thank you for watching.